I've got a hot drink on me. Right. So we come to the old people's home today. And the class today is how you build an engine.
Alright, Russell.
Russ, the camera's talking to you.
You're right, mate.
This is Russell. It's my very good friend Russell, who has been rebuilding the engine. How you getting on there? Nice. So today's a big day. We've had done a lot of stuff, a lot of work with the car, a lot of work with everything, and then Russell's basically took the engine to bits. He shouted at me a lot.
Hold it! Yeah, not too hard.
What?
Wring his blooming neck.
No, I said
let go.
I said to do more than that, didn't I?
No. Right, that's it. That's it. No, get out of my workshop.
That engine can't go back in that car is what I can tell you he kind of said to me. So he's had it here, he's had it in bits, he's done a lovely job of taking it apart, painting it, doing what he does best, serviced pretty much everything.
Move. Keep.
Hi, Russell.
Hi, Patrick.
What are you doing? Talk us through what you're doing.
Okay, so we stripped the engine a month or so ago. It needed the head skimming, it needed the valves refacing. It needed one new liner, which is this inside here. One of the liners had a crack in the bottom of it, so we got that. We put new piston rings in it. We put new mains, we put new big ends, put a new timing chain, a new timing chain tensioner, all new gaskets, oil rings.
So will it run better than an original Renault engine?
It should be as good as it was when it came out of the factory now, yeah. My main business is we do industrial flooring, commercial flooring, workshops and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Garages, etc. But as a sideline, when I left school I did mechanics, and I've just kept my hand in it. So when Tom asked me, I just thought it'd be nice to help him out as much as I could.
Well, you say mechanics, that's a very honest answer. You build race cars, Russell. Don't beat around the bush.
Okay.
No bush beating here.
We try.
You've got some proper race cars.
So at the moment we're just building the head back up. This is the rocker shaft. Everything's been cleaned up, ready to go back together. Obviously the most important thing is that everything is spotless before it goes back together. Otherwise you're just putting dirty parts back in a brand new engine, which is totally pointless. This is a rocker shaft we're putting in at the moment, which I'm putting in upside down, which is very funny for you lot, I'm sure. Because
you build race cars for a living.
Yeah.
Puts an engine in upside down.
There you go, yeah.
Like new.
I've got the original book here from Renault with all the torque settings in it.
It's a Renault manual.
It's a technical data.
Oh wow,
original.
from 93.
I found it in the drawer.
No way.
Yeah, that's how long I've been doing this sort of stuff.
You must be about 100 years old.
No, as you can see, that's...
Oh, that's amazing.
Alright.
Oh, look how smooth it is.
When the cam goes round, these literally obviously go up and down,
yeah.
Which in turn move these up and down, the rockers,
right,
which then open and closes a valve.
Right.
Piston goes up and down. Biff baff boof.
Engine makes a noise.
Look at what your torque sensor got to be. We're working in Newton meters. That's zeros. So yeah, so in this book it's telling us that we need to do them up, run the car up, slacken them off, wait nearly 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and then do them back up to 75 Newton meters. So we'll do them at one stage now, and then we'll do the rest when the engine's been run.
Turn that over.
What are you doing?
Rocking.
Yeah, I'm rocking. Watch it. Watching, you're watching, Patrick.
I'm watching.
Look. See him? Look. One's coming up, one's going down, yeah? Look. See that?
Yeah.
So you get it, so it's literally there.
I
don't understand what you're doing.
I'm just telling you. I said, did you watch that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I watched them do that. I
Oh,
thought
so if they're rocking, so one's going up, one's coming, so they're doing that.
Yeah.
Because they're on the verge of one going up and one coming down, yeah?
Yeah.
So when that does that, that's both the pistons are right at the top.
Yeah.
But both the valves are right at the top. See, then there's just the two adjacent ones. Because the explosion is going on in this one. Yeah, so you want there to be a little bit of play on here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not the play and the one that's rocking.
Right.
Yeah? Can you do something useful?
Of course.
Go home.
You don't.
What have I said about your attitude?
You don't mean that.
Do I need to keep filming this? This is 8 minutes and 19 of footage I have to go through.
No, once you've done one, it's
Yeah,
done,
once
isn't
you've done
it?
a couple.
Right, okay, thanks. Thanks, mate. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Oh, Patrick, you have made a mess.
Oh, why have you done that?
So, if he carries on doing that, he will die. So just hold that like that. That's it.
You absolute idiot.
Make sure it's clean. You're going to wipe something, make sure you got a clean rack. Oh my god. I will die.
Just look at it. Gasket's coming out.
Yeah, gasket was done.
Gasket.
The gasket.
There you go. So the best thing to do, like I've done here, when you take the engine apart, shut up and I'm trying to talk. Filming now.
The gas
Pack it up.
split.
Shut up.
It's malfunctioning. So extra.
Thick. Don't put that on there, whatever you do. So you want a couple of washes on that?
2 washes probably.
Ah!
Oh no. Just a couple of washes on the boat, isn't it? Yeah, that's one probably a bit too long, is it? I love you.
Just
Hold
there. Hold that bar there.
Oh, okay, got it.
Bit more.
You said gently.
Not.
It's a deep burn. I've got it left-handed as well. Quick, it's just not
Okay.
block.
Oh, it's too tight.
So probably where I should have had it a minute ago. Oh, I don't know, Russ.
You don't know a lot, do you?
But what I do know,
You don't want it to knacker the bearings in the pump, do you?
that's exactly what I was thinking. Because if those bearings go, it's pumped.
Like you. Put it over there. So that goes on there like this. And then where's the black bit you cleaned up? Have you cleaned that through?
Yeah, no.
You are useless. Absolutely useless.
Get off me.
Oh, you threw it. Yeah, could have that.
What are we doing currently, Thomas?
Leaning in there. Russell is now fitting the intake.
So now we are just bolting on the exhaust and inlet manifolds, which, like we were just saying, yeah,
It is such a dated, effective, but dated. It's a tiny little block with then literally everything bolted to it.
you can get your little fat chubby fingers down in the bottom there.
You can't be like that. I've just realised you've got gloves to match. Ginger.
Are you videoing this? Is he for real? Can you see what's hanging off his chin?
Another chin?
What are you doing?
Put
You
him
told
on.
me to get my hands in there. You always do this.
No chance are you going to get them chubby pinkies in there.
Here, Tom, this is what you want to do, and does the whole job.
So now what we're going to do, we're going to spin the engine on its side.
Careful.
Got it?
Careful!
I've not got anything.
Careful!
Tubby's used, didn't he?
There, look, over there.
Oh, it was you.
Get on with your job!
Oh, sorry.
Yep! That even tells you that. 0.6.
I just said, yeah, I got 0.5, I said 0.6. 0.6 would do.
Don't know what that was or where that came from, and I think that goes in there. And it's a knock sensor. Can you take that with you? Yeah, and then we'll have a look and see where. Sure, it's a knock sensor for the ECU.
Well, that just went off. We're going to give us a clean up. We've got plugs and cap on order. New filter on. I'm going to give this a little spruce up, but it's back on now. The engine is built and ready to go. I'll just give it a bit of a sprucey so I don't get shouted at by Russell. And we're ready to bolt, we're in. Yes, I'm coming in!
Should we finish the video?
Yeah, goodbye, Team Tom.
No.
Why are you doing that at your
It's
age?
in the. Oh, grab it. It's stuck in your pocket.
Where?
Grab hold of the bottom. That's all.
Down here.
Got that in.
Yeah.
No, you got it. Lift it
Yeah,
up. Up. It's on my pocket. It's on my pocket. Lift it up. Put it down. Do it gently. I'm going to kill that, Patrick. Right.
You should have just waited.
No, I'm not waiting, Patrick.
Instead of being an old, impatient man.